So how are you? I hope you are well. So welcome to my channel. Today I brought a new project. The project name is Malware Scanner System. Also you can say Malware Detection System. In this project you can check live any website and it will tell you the potential threat and with the recommendation and what kind of threat, and even tell you like what is the priority of that threat. Let me tell you, in this you will be able to check for malware, viruses, adult content, phishing website, gambling website, crypto scam, any kind of website. If you want, you can take that link or URL, put in here, and you will be able to check that. This is like a real kind of malware scanner, malware detection website. This is a full stack, front end, back end, both. Now let me show you something great. So this is the our project code. If you don't have this code, reach out to us. We will send you this code for a very minimum price, and then you just have to run this code. When you will run it, you will able to go to this like site, and here you can check any. Let me take an example. Like in there's a betting site like Dream 11, very famous in India. So when I will click on here, I will click on here, I will go here, I will put here, and then I will start. So it will start analyzing, okay, as per your internet speed. In less than 1 minute it will check and it will let you know what kind of site. Number one, threat. See what kind of site. It will also tell you that it is a safe site, means anyone can visit this. Okay, what is the threat level? Medium level. Detected threat with security recommendation. Now I will go for another site. Okay, so like betting site I will, and then like there is one sports adda. I will click on this and I will go here. I will double click, copy paste. So this was a scanning adda. So this is a betting site. So it will check, and it can also check for adult content. It can also check for crypto website, crypto. You can exchange and all those. Okay, if you want, you can just copy paste that link and put it here, and it will help you to find. See, this is the high level of security risk threat. Okay, betting site categories, 7 potential threat with recommendation, with all this. What are the threats? It also show the threat. So this is the project, and this is a good project. You can check any kind of website. I'm telling you, you should take this project and you will love it. Okay, so you can go to this GitHub like link, and you will find out that we are doing complete analysis for this, and we are using after that we are getting the result. In this, what are the core detection component? Static content analysis. We are using different API integration, and third, there is a dynamic behavior analysis also. Okay, this is the detection flow. These are the threats which can be detected, and risk assessment also it will show you. Okay, why this is matter? Because you see, everyone have the right to do safe browsing tool. Then there should be a parental control. Then there should be automatic threat research. Many company want threat research, and then this web security monitoring. So if you are a student, if you are a startup, if you are a person who needs this website, then you should not double think it about it. Reach out to us and take this project right now. You can go to this website finalproject.in. This is our website. On here you will get different project, research paper writing, technical writing, programming help, live explanation. And if you will go to our YouTube channel, you will be surprised. We have lots of project, guys, lots of project. Choose any project, reach out to us, pay very minimum amount, take this project, enjoy it. Thank you guys, and don't forget to like this channel, subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.